Alright class, since we finished early, you will have 5 minutes to chat before lunch. I expect you guys to behave yourselves during this time, or else you will be sent to the principal's office. Anyway, I'm going to head to the bathroom, so I'll be right back.
I'm going to create a snowstorm in Miss Dougherty's classroom by using my magic wand. This classroom will become a winter wonderland when I create a snowstorm in this classroom. Ha 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 ha.
Hey, what's going on here? Why does this classroom look like a winter wonderland?
Well, it seems like someone created a snowstorm in this classroom. I wonder who did this.
Wait a second, guys. I think I know who created a snowstorm in this classroom. It was Lavender, and she used her magic wand to do this.
I strongly agree with Princess Rosalina.
Me too.
Hey guys, what's with all the commotion in here? And why does my classroom look like a winter wonderland?
Well, Miss Dougherty, Lavender created a snowstorm in your classroom by using her magic wand. Now your classroom looks like a winter wonderland all because of her.
Oh my freaking god. Lavender, I can't believe this. How dare you create a snowstorm in my classroom by using a magic wand? You know you're not supposed to do that kind of stuff in the classroom. Now my classroom looks like a winter wonderland. Thanks to you. That's it. Turn everything back to normal and then go straight to the principal's office right now.
Lavender, I just heard that you created a snowstorm in Miss Dougherty's classroom. You know that creating a snowstorm in a classroom can make the classroom look like a winter wonderland. That's it. You are suspended for the rest of the month. Now exit the school building and go home.
Lavender, what the heck was that? We can't believe you created a snowstorm in Miss Dougherty's classroom. You know that creating a snowstorm in a classroom can make the classroom look like a winter wonderland.
Just for creating a snowstorm in Miss Dougherty's classroom today, you will be grounded for the rest of the month. Go to your room, now. Yes, Mr. and Mrs. Charming. Sorry, Mr. and Mrs. Charming.